Hello everybody, and welcome to break 781 for the 2012 Panini 6 series. Thanks everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching. Current date and time according to eBay is Saturday, May 11th, 2019. It's 10:35 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:35 p.m. Central Time, and 7:35 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Rob with 4 spots, Two Toes with 8, Mai with 1, Jamo 2, Mard with 1, DW 2, Delam 1, Kelly 4, Christensen 5, Raw 1, and Hockey with 1 spot. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Rob's on top, Hockey on the bottom. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Christensen on top and bottom. Christensen has the Diamondbacks, Two Toes Braves, DW Orioles, Kelly Red Sox, Two Toes Cubs, Jamo White Sox, Christensen Reds, Jamo Indians, Rob Rockies, Two Toes Tigers, Delam with the Astros, Kelly Royals, Rob Angels, Mai with the Dodgers, Christensen Marlins, Rob Brewers, Two Toes Twins, DW Mets, Two Toes Yankees, Rob with the Athletics, Two Toes Phillies, Mard with the Pirates, Kelly Padres Giants, Rob Mariners, Two Toes Cardinals, Christensen Rays, Hockey with the Rangers, Two Toes Blue Jays, and last but not least, Christensen with the Washington Nationals. Here we go. All sealed up. Good luck, everybody. So if we pull LA, Chicago, or New York, we'll look them up to confirm which of the 2 teams in that city it is. Alright, everything ships. First up, we have Jacoby Ellsbury for the Boston Red Sox. We have Clayton Kershaw. Here's a good example for Los Angeles. So is it the Dodgers or the Angels? We all know the answer, but we'll look it up just to confirm. Adam Jones, Baltimore Orioles. Alright, and our autos. First up, we have a rated rookie game ball autograph of Freddie Galvis for the Philadelphia Phillies. Number 13, number 141 out of 299. We have a Justin Upton for the Arizona Diamondbacks. And that is 28 out of 99. And last but not least, we have Ryan Cook for the Oakland A's MLB Player's Choice rated rookie auto. And that is 269 out of 299. Sweet, let's go back through and see who's getting what. Start with Boston. Boston Red Sox going to Kelly. Congrats, Kelly. Really authentic, sold out. Appreciate that, guys. So Baltimore Orioles. Oop. That's going to DW. Congrats. Eric, yep. Tier 1 was first break of the night. Okay, so what we're going to do here is look up Clayton Kershaw. Just to confirm which Los Angeles team he played for. Whole career it's been the Dodgers. So the Dodgers is going to my T. Congrats. Yeah, if you guys are ever late to the stream, just feel free to rewind it. It'll be like watching us live. Alright, Oakland A's, Ryan Cook, rated rookie MLB Player's Choice auto. Yeah. Should have came in 15 minutes late. Oakland A's is going to Raw. Congrats, Raw. So I think Eric said he's a firefighter, so I don't know if that can wait. Philadelphia Phillies is going to Freddie Galvis. So let's see who has Philadelphia. Philadelphia Phillies is going to Two Toes. Congrats, Two Toes. And then last but not least, we have Justin Upton auto for Arizona. 28 out of 99, and that will go to... who's Arizona? SC Christensen 14. Congrats. And that will wrap up break 781. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break. We do appreciate it, and all of you watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click that red button right next to your right thumb. Check us out on social media in our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you guys soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and right after that is break 786. Thanks.